Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It is that time, that exciting time where we get to put this beast together. It's kind of a, I want to call it a Frankenstein. At first it wasn't Frankenstein because, okay, so disclaimer. This will not be the first time it is built. There was kind of a test run with it. There was some loaner parts on it, and then we nicknamed it Frankie because it was kind of a Frankenstein bike. It had some strange little loaner parts here and there. Because I was just itching to ride the darn thing. And so I had some buddies come together and they hooked me up with a couple little parts and pieces just to get her on the trail. And let me tell you, just with those, it was fantastic. So you guys hopefully have seen all my videos of all the parts that I got. But as now, at the end of the build laps, I'll do a quick rundown of what's on there. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I went to the shop and had them put the bottom bracket had them set the headset in just because I don't have those tools and I don't want to fudge it up. So that's why they're on there already and why they're not part of the hyperlapse. Also, the derailleur, the chain, I didn't feel like busting apart the master link and putting a new one on. I just will leave it. But hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. I'd like to give a shout out to Spoke Easy of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Y'all have probably heard me mention them before on this channel. They are a locally owned bike shop and they sell giant and live cycles, but they can get any brand bike that you need, anything from a road bike to a fixie to a mountain bike. They are also an authorized dealer for DD components and various other brands. Possibly the best part of this shop though is that they have their beer license. So if you find yourself near Murfreesboro, Tennessee, stop by, say hey to Jeremy and JD, have a beer, get your bike serviced, and hang out with some great people.